So here we have today the Gumdrop Gingerbread House by Hallmark. It's ceramic with these LED lights. It is battery operated. Okay, there's the Hallmark sign. And just turn around so you can sort of see. It has these sugary and just regular glaze. So there's sugar down here and on the rooftop and on the gumdrops. You can see that there's no chips or cracks or damage to the ceramic there. And it plays some musical tunes for Christmas. And as you can see, the lights are blinking in time to the music. Let's get that one more time from a different angle. And then there is an on-off switch here, so you could turn it off and it will not play. You turn it on and it will. And comes with the little sticker there for press here. And there you have it. Hallmark's Gumdrop Gingerbread Ceramic House with LED lights and music.